Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. Gonna do just a really quick tips and tricks video, probably be less than 3 minutes. And what we're gonna talk about is when you're measuring out your coating, kind of putting a little too much in the beaker. What we've come up with is using disposable eyedroppers. And the reason why is it's kind of hard because you're tipping the tumbler away from the coating that's inside back into the bottle to get it exactly where you need it. When you pour this coating in, whatever your line you're going for, the bottom of the bubbles on top need to rest on top of that line. So if you're a little under, a little over, when you mix that, it'll be inconsistent in shade. And where you'd run into that problem is later on the same customer came back and wanted another accessory coated to match the original project. If you're just a little off here or there, it's going to be inconsistent and it's going to stand out. So instead of pouring coating in the bottle and then trying to get a little bit back in, use these eyedroppers. We just get them on eBay. They're disposable. Use them one time, throw them in the trash. I think they run around 2 or 3 cents a piece and work really well for that. What we do is just tip the cylinder away from the numbers so you don't coat your numbers and not be able to see how much is left in there. Stick this into the liquid and suck it out. See where you're at. You can either put a few drops in or squirt this in the bottle and go back, take a little more out, get it where you need it, and then you're dead on every time. One key thing that you've really got to keep in mind, and it's just an easy blunder to make, but don't do it, is make sure you have not mixed hardener in before you put it back in the bottle. If you put hardener in the bottle, you're going to ruin your bottle. So this only works for your initial pour to get the whatever 12, 24, 36 that you need. I'll find a link for these on eBay and pop them on there. I'll find a link for these on eBay and put it in the description down below. And if you have any other questions on little things like this, shoot me a message or leave it in the comments and we'll knock a video out for that. So that's about it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.